Match formula is a really handy formula. I've got it listed up here. An example of how what it looks like. It's a very handy formula to pair with the VLOOKUP. But what we want to do is we want to learn about it on its own, and then only once we know it sort of on its own and also know the VLOOKUP do we want to combine the two to make a really powerful formulaic combination. So what the match formula does is this. It looks within a row and it turns back, or it reports back, the column number that a particular value is in. So let's just unpack that a little bit. Let's say I have these 4 cells within row 6 highlighted. Okay, cells C6 through F6. And I want to know what column number is favorite color in. And we can see here, and I've got the column numbers up here just as reference, but you can see here it's in the 3rd column, favorite color. The match formula will allow us to look for favorite color and report back that favorite color is in the 3rd column. Okay, that formula is up here. What I'm going to do right now is I've got it listed here, but I'm going to retype it just to kind of give an example. So equals match, and I want to look for favorite color. I'm going to actually type it in now just to make it clear on the screen, but favorite color, and then I'm going to highlight the rows that I'm going to look within, and then I'm going to choose. I have these options here of 3 options here. I'm always going to choose exact match because I want exactitude here, and then close parentheses. And you can see I choose, I have the number 3. Let's say that, that I chose first name instead. We should see the number 2 pop out, and that's what we see. Okay? The other thing I'll just mention here is that we can also, instead of typing in favorite color, we can simply make the cell reference cell E6, which is where favorite color is stored, and that will also turn back the number 3. So here's the challenge for you all. See if you can do the match formula and turn back a value of number 4 for favorite sports team. So write out a match formula using this cell reference, and you're going to be looking for favorite sports team. Okay, and the value that you should get back, value should be 4. Okay, I'm going to put that in there just as reference so you can practice this. If you get that, then the next challenge would be to use, to go to a more complicated data set, which is this Data Historical Winners tab. So this is exactly, it's data. It's just like the smaller, this is a data table, and then this is a data table. The only difference is that this is bigger, okay? So what I'm going to ask you to do for the advanced challenge is look within row 2 of this tab and find the column reference or the column number of for the genre, and then also for duration. Okay, those are 2 columns within that Data Historical Winners tab. See if you can do that. If you run into any problems or have any questions, definitely let me know. I'll come into your small group. Otherwise, see if you can get the formulas to work. If you can, then I'd encourage you to go on to either the VLOOKUP or the drop-down box. Once you have all 3 of these mastered, then you can go on to the drop-down VLOOKUP match combo. Okay? Good luck, and I'll be available for questions. Thanks.